Welcome to JES Matthew'S kitchen. In this video we're gonna see how to make soft milk bread loaf. It's easy to make and its ingredients are listed down in the description box. For easy understanding, here I divided the whole process of making a soft milk bread loaf into 5 easy steps. Kindly watch it. And here is the recipe. Step 1. Proof the yeast. For this, combine 1.5 teaspoons of yeast, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar and half a cup of warm milk. Combine well and allow to rest it for minimum 10 minutes and set aside. Step 2. In a small mixing bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of melted butter and an egg and set aside. Step 3. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of white sugar. Combine well. Step 4. Now create a small well in the center of the flour mixture and add the step 2 egg mixture into the well and the step 1 proofed yeast. Combine well and knead it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the dough looks soft and it's no more sticky. And allow to rest it for minimum 1 hour for rising. Step 5. After a good 1 hour, knead it again on countertop or a cutting board for minimum 2 minutes. And allow to rest it for another 20 to 30 minutes. Now the dough looks so soft like in the video. Knead it again for a few seconds and spread the dough by using our hands and a rolling pin. Spread it into a rectangle and fold it like in the video. Now spread it again by using hands. Spread and fold it again. Remember to close its ends by giving extra pressure. make 7 to 8 cuts by using a kitchen knife as in the video. Now place them on 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. And allow to rest it for minimum 10 minutes. Meantime, preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit and prepare an egg wash by combining 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of whole milk and set aside. Now brush the egg wash on the dough as in the video. And bake for 18 to 20 minutes on preheated oven. After 20 minutes, take the bread out from the oven and it looks like this. Milk bread loaf is ready. Enjoy! Thanks for watching Jes Matthew's Kitchen. Kindly subscribe my channel for more yummy recipes. Just a note, this bread goes really well with the egg masala and its recipe is coming soon. I hope you like this recipe and give it a try soon. Thanks again. Bye bye.